An year back, when I started joining challenges and collaborations, Fall Kitchen Vignette 2018 was the first vignette that I ever created on YouTube. I became friends with Denise Jordan and found many more like-minded friends. I'm so glad to be participating again in Fall Kitchen Vignette 2019 with Denise Jordan. I love to make and change my own signs around the house. I prefer to do hand lettering and freehand painting. For the florals, I'm torn a piece of brown paper and I've taken a bunch of this cream colored off-white little roses. I just love the colors, they're so pretty and warm. I'm just going to make a package. And just tie it with some string. It always reminds me of the famous brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Yes, this is one of my favorite things. I love how this little bouquet looks. It looks as if it has come fresh from the florist, ready to be assembled and decorated in the home. So now let's make my kitchen vignette. Keep this aside. And here is my tray. Now you might be wondering, what am I doing with the lemon tray? So summery. But yes, I'm going to turn it into a fall tray using a doily which is in the fall colors. So just spread my doily and adjusted it to the size of the tray. Here is my fall sign that I made, fall in love. That's the most beautiful thing in life to do, be in love with something, someone. And it has fall leaves in it. I'm just going to place my sign right at the back. I found these two ladles spoons. I just picked them because they're orange in color and part of the kitchen. So I'm just going to place them here on the side just to fill the space. My fresh bouquet of flowers. And I'll add some knickknacks to munch on, and these are in pretty fall colors and has got a birdie lid. My birdie jar, and I know Denise loves birds, so I'm going to place it here, or maybe here. These are the two luminaries that I made recently in a video, and they look beautiful when they lit up. I'll put a card link above for this video if you want to make them. They are so easy and absolute no spend DIY. So I'm going to place one here and the other one here. Now since everything is on a tray, I just need to pick this, lit up my luminaries and place them on my kitchen counter, and they're going to look beautiful. Come, let's see. My little vignette full of love and warmth. Thank you all for joining me today, and see you very soon in my next video.